Hello world, it's Akosiamun Goddess. So I saw this video on YouTube whereby the guy was saying Davido's child is dead and that they are finding it difficult to identify who neglected the child for the child to die. Okay, and they are blaming it on each other. So I decided to help with the investigation as to what really happened. Okay, I want to know what really happened for the child to go under the pool when there were two living human beings under that roof. So Spirit, show me what really happened. What really happened about the religious child? The Ace of Pentacles. Clarify the Ace of Pentacles. No, someone was focused on a new beginning. Okay, I see a new home or a new friend, and whatever this new home or new friend was will be bringing money to them. So they decided to go and exchange. There's some give and take money here, and that brought this betrayal. There's a lady in this. I see a feminine energy. She may be a Virgo, Taurus, or Capricorn, or Aquarius. She mustn't be. Okay, but show me more. Yes, it still came out. Okay, this is someone whose attention is so much on money, but she doesn't really want to put in the work. Okay, she's a feminine, and she just wants things to move quickly for her. And it's like she loves, look, the hangman. She likes withdrawing from her responsibility all the time, but she wants to receive the money. Okay, so look at the description of the people in your house and see what I'm talking about. This person has already betrayed you before, and you felt like separating from her or giving her a gap, or this person may have just frustrated you out. Okay, I see a couple of frustrations here, but you keep giving this person money. You may have even given this person a hoe, and this person is someone close to you. Okay, you may find a friend in her. I see a love situation. Clarify the Chariot card. No, whoever this person is, it seems they have a upper hand in the house. They are trying to get some money. What is this? Why? Clarify the Seven of Cups. This person is praying you let go of this situation so that they will succeed in whatever they did. So this is actually intentional. I see a love situation. Clarify the King of Cups. King of Pentacles. Oh, so you are keeping a secret. Okay, there's a secret you are keeping. And you know what I'm talking about. Whatever the secret is, you needed to invest a lot of money in it because you chose to start something new with someone, and then you rejected the person in the middle of the situation. So this person feels sad and rejected. This person has other options, but they are focused on you. So you caused this, okay, because of your obsession. This is just justice someone served you. So you know what I'm talking about. Someone served you justice in your home. This is a Queen of Pentacles in the reverse. This may be a Virgo, Taurus, or Capricorn. It mustn't be, okay, but they may pretend to be working with you. Okay, this person is pretending to be working with you, and they are holding on to your money in a way. Clarify the Queen of Pentacles in the reverse. And you give them, okay, I see a third party situation. So you may betray someone by giving money, okay, to someone. I don't know. I know you get what I'm saying. Clarify the Ace of Cups and the Six of Pentacles with the Three of Swords. No, you kept something a secret and it's no more a secret, okay? And it seems people were blinded to this situation, but it is showing clear now, and people are seeing through it. This is something that couldn't fulfill your wishes. I don't know what wishes this is. What is the Nine of Cups in the reverse? This is a selfish wish. This is a selfish wish that you've invested a lot of money in, and now this same selfish wish is bringing you chaos. This selfish wish expected marriage, some success and prosperity from you. They even planned getting pregnant for you so that you marry them. Spirits. There's a chef and a nanny. Who is this person? Is this the chef or the nanny? It's the nanny. It's the nanny. You played with the nanny, okay, and you betrayed her so hard. I just watched the video. I don't even know the genders in the situation. I don't know if they are males or females. I just watched the video and I decided to do a reading to see if it is the chef or the nanny. And it is the nanny. I see, look at, there's juggling here. You played with someone, look at the Ten of Swords. Okay, you betrayed someone, you stabbed someone in the back. Okay, you did something painful to them, you ended something very painfully. And she expected the family out of this. I see stress, look, someone is stressed out, look. Someone expected this type of situation from you. Look at the connection. Okay, I see a two of cups, passionate, love, divinely guided, money, but you betrayed them. I don't know. I don't know it's going to get here. I just wanted to help with the investigation as to who did this, how did it happen, because I learned they are trying to, they don't know who did it. They are trying to, they are blaming it on each other. Spirit is saying they are blaming it on each other. So I decided to find out what or who is. So it's the nanny at the end of the day. Okay, but we ended up bringing a lot of things out. You saw it coming. You saw it. Yeah, like my body is just itching. There's something that you knew. You knew. There's something that, or you know, but you are ignoring the fact that you know it. Okay, you know something, you are ignoring it. This is senses. Look, our 5 senses give us direction. You knew something, but you ignore it and you kept it a secret. Because you are the boss, okay? Davido, hey, boss. What advice do you have for? Who Davido? There is some actions that you have put out into the universe that you have to take responsibilities to. Okay, there's I see the 5 of Wands, so there's disagreement, conflict, and something here that you did. You walked away from it and ignored it. You need to man up and take responsibility for your action, because you made someone a third party and you walked away from it. So now the ball is in your courts. Do what you can. I don't know. Show me what. This is fated to happen because you called for it. So now your child is your own victim. Okay, look at what men we do to ourselves. Look at what we do to ourselves. You had the most wonderful person on earth, but you chose this fate for the child because of your actions. If you didn't do this, there would have been a different fate. But if you wanted this fate for your child, that's why you did that and still kept the person in your fucking home. 7 of Cups. You kept an option in your home and you thought it was a good idea. You thought it's good news, and you kept spending money in such a situation. You thought this was a good idea. Like, are we for real on this earth? The things we are doing to each other, is it for real, for real, for real, for real? How we stress each other, how we betray each other, for real, for real? Like, do we really have to do this? Is this what we have to do to make us human beings? Is this our best selves? Is this our best selves? Is this the best we can do to appreciate God by hurting each other? Huh? Your woman is just one. If you've had it, that's enough. That's all. Because you need just one God. And you've had it. How many gods do you want? Okay, God is jealous. God is jealous. And you decided to put 2 gods together. No, you are doing yourself. You harmed your own self, not them. This nanny needs to be behind bars. I don't know. Sometimes I do these readings, then I feel like I'm lying. But at the end of the day, it's true. It's real. It's real. When I started doing this, it's not today. It's real. I see it happening unfold right in front of my own eyes. Why? What is this sex trauma about? Okay, why are we traumatized? Sexually traumatized. And that we just see sex and nothing more. What is sex? Why sex? Okay, why sex? Sex over God. Okay, what we are doing is sex over God. What is this? And you put 2 gods in one seat in the same home. And we thought our forefathers did that, so we have to do it. Didn't you see their feelings spilled? Like, don't you see that they couldn't hold each other? They couldn't help each other. They couldn't really help each other. What success was in this situation? Whatever our forefathers did by jumping from one woman to the other, marrying 1,000 wives at a go. What success did you see in it? Because my grandmother is still alive and I don't see any happiness. It only brought trauma, and that is why I was hated in my family. Why do we think we still have to continue such acts at this age, this 21st century? No, I don't have to keep talking about it. And I don't feel sorry tapping into your energy, because you are my child. Everyone is my child. And I'm supposed to put things in order. If this is happening, I have to do what is right by identifying the wicked one. And identifying you also.